Mana-chan? Mana-chan, are you up for a stroll too?
Listen! Don't come one step closer to me than that, because I can't stand you!
Mana-chan? You can't stand my medal?
That's what I can't stand about you. What?
What's the matter?
It's a larval Actias artemis. They're rare!
Huh? What's Agatesotamus mean?
Didn't I tell you to stay away from me?
Yeah, my medal wants to see it too.
Knock it the heck off.
Boring.
Wow, this guy's shape is really tough and strong looking, even for a caterpillar. He looks promising.
Huh? Wow! Is that a caterpillar too? Ah! What?
I got me one!